Okay, so press me. I'm gonna say something to you, and I want you to press me. All right? Yo, Davis, I'm not gonna lie,
You a bitch,
bro.
nigga. Shut the fuck up, nigga. I'm from Atlanta, the hoods of Atlanta, nigga. I kill niggas.
Come on, bro. You gotta make it believable, man. The press has to be believable, otherwise they're gonna think you're telling fairy tales. Let's try it again, but say something a little bit more believable. I'm not gonna lie, you're fast. You can't beat me in no basketball game because you're obese. And mentally, you're not there neither, nigga. And you're pussy.
Get a retwist. It's time for a retwist.
Is this nigga serious?
I'm trying to help you, bro, but you're not.
I'm not even worried about it.
Come on, bro.